This adjournment is as a result of a 14-day ultimatum that we gave as members of the county assemblies in KICC on the 3rd of May. And this is as a result of challenges that members of the county assemblies face at the assemblies. The challenges that we face are lack of financial autonomy.
We have seen that sometimes the trickle down of the money meant for devolution to the wards is very minimal. They are being splashed left, right, center to some of the departments which have no presence even in the wards. And we have now resolved that at least all county allocations, 40% should go to the ward.